Hey guys, decided just to play around, do a little baking. A couple cups of flour, a little bit, dash of salt, dash of sugar, and got some yeast started with warm water, yeast, and about a teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna let that go a couple minutes and then make some dough. Then we'll cover it and let it rest. All right, just start working this dough. Put a little oil in it, a little more flour. It's gonna need it. Fold it. Need fold. This ball, if I had it laid out, I'd just fold it over and keep doing this. There we go. And I'm just going to cover that. I'm just going to set a plate on top of it, seal it up, let that sit a while. I decided to change this up. I cracked an egg in there, about a cup of sugar. I'm going to try to make cinnamon rolls. My dough gets going too far. Let's get a little more flour out here. This worked in again. Then we'll proof this dough. There we go, that seems about right. Never made these, so let's experiment. Just decided to make something. I've had some apple and cherry pie filling sitting around. So I might make a apple cinnamon roll. Sounds kind of good. Something new and different. See how it comes out. I'm sure it won't be horrible. Just never know. Never know till you try, right? And since I'm off today, I've been wanting something, make something, that's what we're doing. Alright, I think that'll work. I'm just going to cover that up. I'm going to set it out on I got an inside porch. I'm just going to go cover it and set it on my inside porch, which is nice and warm. Let that proof. Probably about an hour. Alright. My dough has easily doubled in size. It's been about an hour. So you can see how much bigger it is. Flour this table good. Okay, get it out of there this way then. Okay. Okay, let's see how that does. stick. Roll this out. See how springy it is. It's pulling right back. Okay, it's looking good. That's about right. I'm trying to make this into kind of a rectangle so I can roll this. Hopefully it works out. I've never done these. First time for everything. Alright. So that's a rough oval or rectangle, I guess. How thin I should make it, but I think it's probably about right. Okay. So now we got that. I need to get some cinnamon. Brown sugar. Let me find that. Okay. And my brown sugar. About half a cup or so. See how it goes. Really large. I'm just gonna guesstimate this. Let's see. Let's be liberal with that. I want a nice filling. Probably about a cup of brown sugar. Set that aside. This way. Big heaping spoon of cinnamon there. And we need some butter. Maybe about 4 ounces. So I don't know. I think that's all. I'm gonna take a half a stick to start. See how that goes. Just mix it in. I'm feeling I'm gonna need a whole stick, but we'll try it. See how this goes. Yeah, the whole stick in there. I think a whole stick is 4 ounces, if I remember right. There we go, that's looking good. Okay, now we're just going to plaster this in here. Spread that around really nice. Even it out. We're going to go one little step further on this too. we're slathered up in that. Looking good. Yep, looking real good. Okay. Stop that a second. Okay. So, got that. Cinnamon brown sugar all spread out. Dough proof for an hour. Now, I got me some apple pie filling. These are going to be apple cinnamon rolls. This should be different and interesting. Chop them up a little bit as I go along here. Spread them out. Now let's just dump it on there. Cut these up first. But it is what it is. Experiment in deliciousness. I'm sure it's good. Just see how good I can roll this up. Okay, spread them apples out good. Okay, that'll work. Experiments. Let's see, I think we should do it this way. Some of those in here. This. Okay. All this. Feeling tough. Some apples in there. It'll end up being a mess. It'll be a delicious mess. Alright. Okay. Sort of pretty good. I could just cook that just like that. And that would be delicious as it is. Not a bad idea. But that's not the plan. So, plan. Really what I want. Cut that piece a little bit. There we go. That'll work. Okay, so baking sheet. And we're gonna do this. I need to spray this. It's a big non-stick pan. I'm just gonna give it a quick spray with cooking spray. Have to make sure nothing sticks. Unfortunately, I don't have the room to set this here with the camera, so do it like this. Okay, I'm going to cut these up like this, hopefully. Set them on end. If I can see that or not, let me see if I'm getting it. Okay, I'll just have to wipe the bottom of this. I won't let you make you watch this painstaking cutting. I'll wait till I'm done. Okay, that's how they look after cutting them. I got 13 out of that big roll, and those actually need to sit again for about a half hour to see if they rise anymore. And then they're going to go in the oven at 350 for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how brown they get. Then we'll check them out. Okay, while my rolls are proofing a little while, I'll let them sit while the oven's getting hot. I got some room temperature cream cheese and butter. and softening. Mix that together. And confectioners or powdered sugar. Put about a cup of that in there. This is going to be our frosting. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. So, it's about half cream cheese, half butter, a cup of powdered sugar, and about 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And that is all you need to make frosting. There you go. Should do it. Mix that up really good. Could use a mixer, but I don't feel like pulling it out just for this. I have the time while I'm waiting. Get it mixed good. Good. That'll soften up a little more. When those come out and they're steaming hot, I'll just put a big nice spoon on the top of each one. That should melt down nicely. Oh yeah, that's really good. That's gonna be fantastic on those. All right, I'll come back when they're done. So they're out 25 minutes in the oven, and I iced them up right away while they were hot. I ate one little tiny one. It was good. So, success. I got some sweets. Yummy. Just never know what you can do until you try. It's a total new thing for me. So, stay safe.